Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Ahrefs for keyword research step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to ahrefs.com. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button and create one. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Locate the Keywords Explorer tab on the left-hand menu. Click on it to access the keyword research tool. You'll see a search bar where you can enter your target keyword. Type in the keyword you want to research and select the appropriate search engine, like Google. Click the search button to see your results. Ahrefs will provide a comprehensive overview of your keyword data. Check the keyword difficulty score, which indicates how hard it is to rank for this keyword. Review the search volume to understand how many people are searching for this term monthly. Scroll down to see the SERP overview. This section shows you the current top ranking pages for your keyword. Analyze the titles and descriptions to gather insights on competitors. Next, explore the Related Keywords section. This provides alternative phrases and questions that users are searching for. Consider exporting this data for further analysis by clicking the Export button. You can choose to export in CSV or Excel format based on your preference. Return to the keyword overview and look at the clicks metric. This metric shows you how many clicks the keyword receives, which can be more insightful than search volume alone. Now, let's explore filters to refine your search results. On the right side, find the Filters option and click on it. You can filter by click-through rate, search volume, and ranking difficulty. Adjust these filters to find keywords that match your content goals. Take note of the keywords with the highest potential for your niche. Once you identify promising keywords, consider the intent behind them. Are they informational, transactional, or navigational? Understanding the intent will help you create content that meets user needs. You may also want to check the Questions tab. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.